That's my pine wobbler. And that's my bluebirds. They're right over there too. I'm waiting for FedEx. They said the delivery should be here by 8 p.m. I asked if they could get it earlier. They said sometimes 4:30, but it's starting to get a little bit dark. So I've got there's the female Baltimore Oriole. I put new oranges out for it. But time is running out because there's the Baltimore Oriole. It's on the orange. It says, "Thank you, Rose." And that's my pine warbler. It was just on there. It's up here now. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?